Hi guys, and welcome to another WordPress video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, in our last video we showed you how to set up your first product with WooCommerce. It's just a simple product, really easy to do. What we need to do now is set up a payment and shipping method. So let's do that. Let's go to our dashboard. I'm going to go down to WooCommerce. And I'm going to go down to settings. Now, here's all the information we put on in our little setup video when we did that one. Let's go over to shipping now. And you can set up a shipping zone. So let's add a shipping zone. You can be very specific. I'm going to call mine US, and it'll be continental US, and inside here we can type United States. Now we need to go down and add a shipping method. You can charge a flat rate, you can give free shipping or local pickup. That's a long way to come if you're at the other end of the United States. I'm going to just simply add a flat rate shipping to this, and each of our products we're going to charge $9.99 for shipping. Obviously you can find out what products you may have, how much they're going to ship by going to your local post office and finding out, or just find out online. So let's add a shipping method. Let's edit it now. And we're going to charge $9.99. And for tax status, I'm going to set that to none. If you want to charge tax, that's entirely up to you. But for shipping, I'm not going to charge any tax on that. Now, if you notice up here, it says your store does not appear to be using a secure connection. Well, I'm building mine locally on my computer, so it wouldn't anyway. For anybody that doesn't know, that means it doesn't have an SSL certificate. It's always a good idea to have one when you're getting people to put any sort of payment information into your site. And they can be quite expensive through hosting companies. There are some free options out there, and I've used the free options particularly on Cloudflare before now, which work perfectly. And we'll cover those in later videos. So another little short video today. I hope you've enjoyed that. That's how to set up flat rate shipping for your products. In the next video, we'll go on to payments and set up a payment gateway. So I hope you've enjoyed this today and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.